Now, my favorite way to knit stranded colorwork is actually to knit with one color in each hand. And so this means I will pick up and knit my main color or background color with my right hand in an English style, and I will pick up and knit my contrast color or the motif color, Continental, with my left hand. And how that looks is that I will pick this one up the way that I normally do when I'm knitting stockinette, and I will do the same on this end. This is a really good way. If you can knit stockinette both English and Continental, then you can definitely knit colorwork because you'll just be doing it at the same time. We're doing a simple stitch here where we're doing 3 white stitches and then 1 purple stitch per our pattern. So we're gonna knit our 3 stitches with our right hand in white, and then we're gonna knit 1 stitch in purple, and then 3 stitches again in white, and 1 stitch in purple. This is one of my favorite ways to knit colorwork, 1 in each hand, because it is really great for yarn management. Your yarns almost never cross. I typically will take my ball of main color and keep it to my right hand side, and my ball of contrast color and keep it off to my left hand side, even in different baskets or bins if you like. And that way our yarns really never cross each other, and they are much less likely to get tangled when working with multiple strands at the same time. I also love to catch my floats using this method of two-handed colorwork, which I'll show you in another video, but it's a really easy way to do it, and you don't really have to slow down to catch those floats as well. So my favorite way to knit colorwork is using this two-handed method, but all ways are valid, and there are tons of other ways to knit colorwork as well, so find the way that works best for you, and then you can be a colorwork knitter too.